In biology, we are discussing about the defense mechanism in our body through the body fluids such as blood and lymph. They control the entry of germs into the body and neutralize germs and the toxic substances and prevent the multiplication of germs. Blood is the liquid connective tissue in our body. The 55% is plasma and 45% is blood cells. It consists of the red blood cells, the platelets, and the white blood cells. These white blood cells act as a defense mechanism. They provide immunity to our body. White blood cells consist of 5 types. They are neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil, monocyte, and lymphocyte. Neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil, monocyte, and lymphocytes. Look at this picture. This is neutrophil. It engulfs bacteria. Neutrophil synthesize chemicals that destroy bacteria and also engulf bacteria. Basophil simulates other white blood cells, while eosinophil synthesize chemicals that destroy foreign bodies. It also synthesizes chemicals required for the inflammatory responses. The next one is monocyte. They also engulfs and destroy germs. The lymphocytes are of two types, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. They identify and destroy germs specifically. This summarizes the defense action of 5 types of white blood cells. You can write down this table in your science diary. Inflammatory responses is the another method of defense mechanism. We know skin acts as a fort against germs. If a wound resulted the entry of germs into our body. When there is a wound or infection, the damaged cells produce certain chemicals. These substances dilate the capillaries, thereby increasing the blood flow. Thus, the blood plasma and more white blood cells reach the wound site. Then, white blood cells engulf and destroy germs. This is inflammatory response. Here, germs enter through wounds, and the cells that are damaged by wounds by infection produce certain chemical substances. These chemical substances dilate the capillaries, thereby increasing the flow. Neutrophils and monocytes engulf and destroy germs. Thus, these are the 5 stages of inflammatory responses which act as a defense mechanism in our body. You can prepare a short note on inflammatory responses. What is the advantage of dilation of capillaries at the wound site? Blood flow increases, thereby the blood plasma and more white blood cells reach the wound site. What is the role of white blood cells in the inflammatory responses? The neutrophils and monocytes engulf and destroy germs. This is known as phagocytosis. We know that blood consists of RBC and WBC, white blood cells. And these white blood cells is of 5 types: neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil, monocyte, and lymphocytes. Out of this, the neutrophil and monocyte engulf the germs enter into the body. Look, These type of cells engulf or swallow the germs. The lysosome combines with the membrane sac, and the pathogens are regenerated and destroyed by the enzyme in the lysosome. Thus, phagocytosis is the process of engulfing and destroying of germs by neutrophils and monocytes. The cells that are engaged in this process are called phagocytes. Thus, we can prepare a flow chart showing various stages of phagocytosis. Phagocytosis reach near the pathogen. The lysosome combines with the membrane sac. The pathogens are degenerated and destroyed by the enzymes in it. This is the flow chart of phagocytosis. This is about the blood and defense, inflammatory responses, and phagocytosis. Thank you.